What is ceramic? Today I'm gonna go over what ceramic does for your car and why you should be protecting your car using ceramic. Let's get right into it. A ceramic coating is a semi-permanent or permanent liquid polymer that protects your car's exterior from damage. It's made from silicon dioxide, which is SiO2, in nano form, which is less than 100 nanometers in size. When applied by hand, the coating bonds with the car's paint to create a hydrophobic layer that repels water and other substances. Here at Chemical Guys, we have different forms of ceramics so you can ceramic coat your car at any given time. To start off with, we have spray ceramics, which is going to be HydroSpeed or HydroBlitz. These are infused with silicon dioxide, which is going to protect your car up to 12 months, but these are in spray form. We also have a gel form, which is our customer favorite, fan favorite, which is HydroSlick. HydroSlick is our first hyper wax that is super easy to apply. Have you applied wax before? It's just like that. Simply rub it on, buff it right off after 30 seconds. And if you're a professional detailer and you want 5-year protection, then we also have carbon force protective coating. This is a 5-year protection plan compared to something like a year. So we have variety here at Chemical Guys so you can find the perfect ceramic for your car. Now, what are the benefits of having ceramic coating on your car? It's fairly simple. Do you park outside? Do you have fallout? Do you have bird droppings? Do you get love bugs? Do you park your car outside? Is your car outside right now? Or is it in the garage? You want a showroom finish? That's what ceramic coating is going to do. If you have a showroom car, I recommend ceramic coating your car to give it that showroom finish. It's going to give it extreme crystalline finish to it, and the gloss is going to be insane. Other than that, if you have a daily driven car that's sitting outside in the parking lot right now, imagine this: a bird's flying over your car, bird dropping lands onto your car. Bird droppings can be acidic. You park next to sprinklers. Sprinklers are going to cause water spots, or maybe you're just in an industrial area where fallout gets onto your car over time. Well, ceramic is going to protect from all that. Even though the bird dropping still lands onto the surface of the car, even though the water spots still get on the surface of the car, it's not going to etch itself into the clear coat, which is going to protect your car from further damage and discoloring. Not only does ceramic coating protect against those harmful elements, but it's also going to protect your paint from discoloring. Do you have a white car? Have you ever seen a white car that turns yellow over time? That's because tons of fallout etch itself into the pores of the paint. Or even dark color cars, they start turning opaque. What ends up happening is the gloss is not there. But a ceramic coating is a sacrificial layer which is going to take all of the beating from the sun, from the bird droppings, from the calcium, from water, everything that lands onto the surface of the car, it's going to repel because the ceramic coating has you covered. Now, how do you apply a ceramic coating? It's not that hard. Anybody could do it. It's not rocket science. To start off with, if you're using HydroSpeed or HydroBlitz, simply spray this directly onto the surface of the car and wipe off the residue. Make sure the surface of your car is completely clean before you spray this onto the surface of your car, so like this you get the proper bond onto the surface of your clear coat. Next up, if you want to add a little bit more protection, more shine, and better results, I recommend going with HydroSlick. HydroSlick is going to give you a crystalline finish to your car, and it's in a jelly form. So everyone always asks us, why does it look like jelly? Well, that's the right consistency that we chose here at Chemical Guys. We like to be different. We like to make everything fun. We like to make it super engaging. So simply what you want to do is wash your car, clay your car, polish it, then come back to apply your ceramic coating. If you do not remove all the scratches and swirls from the surface of your car, do not worry. All of our coatings do have self-leveling agents, which is going to make your clear coat look super smooth, and no scratches and swirls are going to be peeking through whenever you're at that car show. So how do you apply HydroSlick? It's fairly simple. Simply get a microfiber applicator, apply 6 dime-sized drops onto your applicator, rub it directly onto the surface of your car, let it sit for 30 seconds and buff it right off, and proceed that entire step around the whole entire surface of the car. Now, even though it mentions it's a hyper wax, this does not contain any carnauba in it. We just mentioned it hyper wax because we are the first company ever to bring a hyper wax to the market, and if you could apply wax, you could apply HydroSlick to your car. Next up, if you do want to be part of the professional line, which is going to give you 5 years protection, this is going to be carbon force. Now, carbon force does come in 1 ounce bottle, and this 1 ounce bottle needs to be applied inside a garage, a well-ventilated area. Whenever you do use this, make sure you use eyewear and gloves, and it does come with micro suede applicators in here that's going to allow you to rub on this ceramic coating directly onto the surface of your car. And as always, make sure to work it in just like HydroSlick. Work in a 2x2 area, apply it on with the micro suede applicator side to side, let it sit for 30 seconds up to 2 minutes depending on the weather, and if it's super cold, let it sit for 2 minutes. Other than that, just apply it, buff it right off, and proceed around the whole entire surface of your car to have a uniform finish. So let's say you applied HydroSlick or Carbon Force directly onto your car. How do you maintain it? It's fairly simple. You could also pair it up using HydroSpeed or even HydroBlitz. Simply in between washes to maintain your ceramic, spray directly onto the surface and wipe off the residue. And all of these products are going to balance itself out to have the maximum shine and maximum protection. I also forgot to mention, we also do have a soap that has SiO2 formula in it. It's called Suds. It should be pop up here, depending where he puts it.
HydroSuds.
I don't know, if you guys want to check out more videos on HydroSuds, check out the link down below. But HydroSuds is also a great maintenance product that can be used to wash your car and re-amp the ceramic coating on your car. If you see a little bit of less hydrophobic properties, that means your ceramic is taking a little bit more beating to it. But do not worry. If you need to apply more, feel free to apply more. Like this, you have the maximum shine, maximum protection at any given time of the year. Whether you're in winter, fall, summer, spring, you think about the weather, we have you protected using ceramic coating. Whenever people hear the word ceramic, they think professionals. They think, I cannot apply that. I can only apply a wax. Well, guess what? Applying a ceramic is just like applying a wax. You're just taking it at a slower pace, and like this, you're still getting maximum shine and protection. A ceramic is going to deliver a hydrophobic barrier to the surface of your car. A wax is going to give it a sheeting effect. A synthetic polymer like a sealant is also going to give it a sheeting effect with a minor hydrophobic property. And a glaze is just like makeup. It's just going to hide imperfections in the surface of the paint like micro swirls and scratches. So if you want that hydrophobic properties, I recommend using the ceramic coating like one of these to ceramic coat your car. And if you have no protection, that's something you don't want to do. And now you're a professional at knowing what ceramic coating is. And like this, you know what ceramic coating you need for your car. If you need something super basic, go with the spray ceramics. You want something intermediate, go with HydroSlick. And if you want the professional grade, go with Carbon Force protective coating system. These ceramics is great for any colored car. It's going to deliver a hydrophobic barrier. And if you want to learn about these products in depth on how to apply it to a car, make sure to check out the links down below. Everything does have a how-to video. Today was just what is a ceramic and why you should be applying to it. But as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We have brand new videos coming every week. And as always, if you would like to pick up any of these products today, you can find them at chemicalguys.com or drive down to a local detail garage. We will see you next time.